In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Pernia pop-up coupon discount codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser right here, and you have to search for Pernia pop-up coupon discount code. Right here, go to this website, which is called retrieve.com, and open it. As you can see right here, we have a list with some promo codes that we can use in order to get a discount. For example, right here, let's say if you want to get this one with 20% of discount, all you need to do right here is select copy code. And as you can see, this is the promo code. You can copy this promo code right here and you can apply this one on your next purchase in order to get that 20% discount. Also, going back to our main search right here, we have this website which is called Noji. And as you can see right here, we also have some promo codes that we can use to get some discounts. For example, right here, let's say you want to get this promotion with $51 discount, which is also verified. All you need to do right here is select get this code. And this is the promo code. You can select right here, copy the code, and you can copy this promo code and apply this one on your next purchase in order to get that $51 discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.